I found in the back hatch, in the boot, a bunch of wires touching each other. So I repaired that, and I could pull the body controller fuse and make the draw completely go away, but if I put it back in and open the driver's door, I've got 1/10 of an amp draw, and about 15 minutes later, it goes away to complete zero. So does that take that long for the body controller to shut down?
I wouldn't worry about it.
I was like, I got it done.
Yep. It says, I just pulled it up here on my end. Install a jumper in parallel, let the vehicle sit this way for 45 minutes, then remove the jumper and read the draw and amperage. Up to 50 milliamps is normal.
That is 0.015.
I think that's 0.050.
I got 0.010, and then in about 15 minutes, the thing goes right to 000.
Yep.
All zeros.
I think you're good.
Man. So, I don't know if you ever run into this or heard of this before, but the wiring in the back hatch in that boot loves to break and touch each other.
Oh, and that was causing the drain?
I believe so. It was like 2 amps constant. Bad one. And I was like, the guy's like, see if it's a rear wiper. So I couldn't even make the rear wiper work. So I went and unplugged that, and that didn't seem to change it. So I took the fuse out for that, didn't change it. So then I saw a video online that was the rear boot and the rear hatch, and that was it, I think. Because the big brown ground wire and the black wire and a few other ones, one was completely broke. 5 of them bare.
Right.
All twisted around each other. After I fixed that, then I got this 0.10 amp draw that eventually went away, so I think I got it.
Okay. Well, that's great news, my friend. I'm glad to hear that. Usually it's not that easy, so if this is it, you're doing good. You're in good shape.
Well, I'm pretty good at this stuff. I just kind of baffled for a second there. So if the rear wiper's not working or anything in rear hatch isn't working, it's probably going to be in that boot. If you ever got to talk to somebody about it, I don't know if you heard about that or not yet.
I don't think so.
Looks like it's pretty common. Another one, too, is a Blue&Me module, which this car does not have. Those like to draw power, too.
I just got off the phone with someone that had a instrument cluster issue on it. I think it was a 2000, it was a little older than this one, but 2002 maybe, but that was pretty common on that year vehicle. But this is a little bit newer here.
There's a Bluetooth module in here that, this one don't have it, but a lot of them do. That's another common draw. They say just unplug it if you don't care about the Bluetooth going away.
Right.
But that also makes the instrument cluster flash, the mileage.
Wait, say that last part again?
It also makes the mileage flash on the instrument cluster, which I did not have.
I gotcha. Okay.
Just trying to, I'm learning about these Fiats. Just trying to throw some stuff at you in case you run into somebody else that's got.
I do this every day, all day long. I've been doing this for 20 years, but I appreciate it, my friend.
No problem.
But I'm glad it sounds to me like you got it all dialed in. If you have any questions, if anything comes up, just reply back online.
Thank you.
You bet. You're welcome.